With the Winter Games kicking off today in Pyeongchang, we wanted to get acquainted with Korean culture and cuisine. So here to show us how to make a traditional dish is Chef Sang Kim. Welcome, Chef.
Hi, Ben. Thank you very much.
Okay, what is this dish that we're making today?
Okay, we're going to make bibimbap. When you think about Korean food, what do you think?
I think barbecue.
Right. So a lot of people think barbecue, but you know what? Korean food was very traditionally vegetarian.
Okay.
And the reason why, when you go back 1,000 years, the royals were Buddhist. And so by royal decree, all vegetable stuff.
All right.
So what we're doing here is called bibimbap. Can you say that?
Bibimbap?
Yes.
Okay.
That means to mix with rice. So you have the rice base, which is the most important thing. And then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to assemble all of the vegetables. These are the standard vegetables. They're all seasoned.
Is there a way to do it properly?
Yeah, you could use a chopstick or your fingers.
I'm going to use my fingers.
Okay,
there
good.
we go. And on the sides?
That's right. Let's put it on the sides.
And so this is shredded carrots here. Are they...
They're all seasoned.
They're seasoned. What would they be seasoned with?
Well, it's all different. So the carrots would be seasoned, would be blanched, would have salt is a very critical thing, right? With the zucchini, for example, right? You have some garlic in there. It's sautéed for a little while.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Enough? Okay.
You really get your hands dirty in this job.
Well, yes, I do.
And then there's the spinach.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put that in one corner. There we go.
And so it's separated.
That's right.
That's how it's traditionally served?
That's right.
Okay.
And then let's put the bean sprouts on.
Okay.
Okay. And then on top of it is, of course, you finish it off in the middle with the sunny side up egg, okay?
All right.
So let's do that.
So this goes right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
All right.
Okay, beautiful.
Let's see.
Okay, excellent.
Benny nailed it.
Yeah, you got this one. Okay, so you know what? Look at this. This looks beautiful.
That looks pretty good. Yeah.
And guess what you have to do with it?
Okay, what is this?
That's the thing. That's the binding agent. So that's the bibin. So what happens is you put it's a gochujang paste. So it's a red chili pepper paste. It's got some vinegar in it. It's got some sugar in it, right? And it's got a lot of heat.
It's coming.
Yeah.
There it is.
So what happens afterwards is you'll be mixing it in, right? And bringing all of the ingredients together.
Okay. So how would you do that?
You want to do it now? I think we need a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, just show me. I would.
Okay, so what you do is you take the gochujang paste like this.
On top of the egg, and then you just,
Then you would just mix it together, right?
You
break it up.
You break up the egg. I see.
And that's why it's called bibim, which means to mix pap with rice.
That's great.
Okay?
Fantastic.
So there you go.
Okay, so show me how to make, so this is really what separates it from just rice with vegetables, right? So let's show me how to make that binding agent.
Okay. So you know what? I've done something a little bit different. This is my own unique recipe. When I first came to Canada as an immigrant, people were putting this red stuff on their hamburgers and hot dogs, and I was like, what? That must be gochujang.
Yeah.
Right? When I tasted it, no, it wasn't.
No, it was ketchup.
That heat wasn't there, right? So it was ketchup. So what I do is I like bringing that whole ketchup concept, which is roasted tomatoes, and mixing it with other things. So, and also, to make it a little bit more Canadian, I add a little bit of maple syrup, so it takes that edge off. So that when you taste it, you're not going to have that.
Okay, so that's the traditional one that we had.
That's right.
Okay, this is going to be, oh, it's in my nose now. Okay, so, all right, so some roasted tomatoes.
Yep, put them in there.
In there, okay.
Okay.
The onions.
The onions.
All this, all right.
All of that in there, okay.
Okay.
So then you have soy sauce. Let's put some of that.
All right.
Red chili pepper flakes.
All of this?
All of it.
Oh, good Lord.
Yeah, all of it.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit of the apple vinegar.
Okay.
Okay, sesame oil.
All right.
Some garlic.
Oh, that's
there.
a lot of garlic. Look how much garlic that is. Oh, my goodness.
So put some garlic in there.
All
Beautiful.
right, yes.
And then let's put the gochujang paste.
All right.
Okay. In there. And basically
really
what you
thick,
do,
huh?
basically what we're doing, and then let's put some more chili peppers in there. So
these ones,
yeah,
really?
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So what you want to do, Ben, is after you blend this down, you want to put it on in a sauté pot.
Okay.
And you want to simmer it. You want to get it simmered for. Okay.
All right. Does it start? Will it start?
Never mind. Let's move over here.
So it'll come out.
Yeah, it'll come
and
out.
then it'll look like this.
Yes, this is what it looks like.
Let me taste this one.
You gotta love live television. So that's what it's a little bit different.
It's good. It's a little less heat.
It's got a little bit.
No, there it is.
Right.
Okay.
So look, this is Team Canada stuff, right? So here we go. Three sisters, you know, indigenous. You have corn.
Yeah.
You have zucchini, and then you have squash.
Fantastic.
Right. So let's put that in there.
Okay, I'm making.
Okay, you're a great assembler.
I'm doing my best.
Yeah,
I'm doing
no,
my
you're
All right,
doing a
so we
great
got
job.
the corn here.
You got the corn there. You got the zucchini.
The zucchini here.
Which Koreans also love.
So
right?
if the Canadians want to have a little taste of home while honoring where they are,
Right.
Do I take this one now?
Yeah, sure. Put some bean sprouts. Let's get some. You want some help here?
Sure.
Yeah, let's get some of the squash in here. The three
Yeah.
sisters. Those are the three.
Oh, and we gotta put some carrots there.
Let's
too,
put
right?
some carrots in
Carrots
there.
right here.
And guess what I also did?
I'm seeing meat here.
Yes.
I'm seeing
so
meat.
I made a Montreal-style smoked brisket.
Yes, you did.
Pulled it, right?
They told you I was gonna be part of the
No,
segment.
no,
didn't
they did. They did. And so this
This is
here. And then where's that egg? Let's
There's
put that
the egg.
on
All
it.
right.
Okay.
Here, let me take that. I'll put this right here. Perfect. And then
then
this stuff.
Right. That's the gochujang
So
ketchup.
all over here.
Sure. You want to
with the-
put that much, huh? Okay.
Oh, really?
No, that's
okay.
It's your mouth.
And then we break it up with this.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's break it up.
Okay. So just like this. Oh, with the with the
the
spoon.
spoon, yep.
Right. All right. There we go. And like this.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is gonna be good. All right. Well, we gotta run. We gotta go to break. Chef, thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna taste this while we go to
pleasure.
break. To get in the Korean spirit at home, you can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca, and we will be right back. I gotta try this.